What's up, YouTube? Part I'm back with another video. And no, this is not going to be another Let's Play. This is going to be actually a trial version, just me trying it out. Ratchet and Clank full frontal assault. Let's see what happens. I like this little intro screen right here. Menu screen, I don't know what you call it. But it reminds me of which one? I think it was Up Your Arsenal. It really reminds me of that one. And Tools of Destruction, which I still need to finish my Let's Play on that, but some crazy stuff happened, so I had to quit it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to try to redo that one later. I'm still testing out this new mic thing that I got going on, because I hate when you breathe into it and it, does the weird splashing sound. I don't know what you call it, but yeah, I'm about to see what this game's all about. And I said I won't be doing. I might do a Let's Play on this when I buy it, but I still got to finish up a bunch of other Let's Plays that I haven't even started yet. So yeah, let's just go on. Extras gonna be okay. Well, that sucks. Hero profile. I wonder what all this stuff is supposed to be. Okay, I guess it's. I noticed they're making all these Ratchet and Clank games. What do you call it? Co-op now. I don't know. Okay. Launch game. From what I hear, oh snap, we're back here. Oh, it's number 2. So let's see. Yeah, this one kind of reminds me. That's that old cork symbol. So apparently it's supposed to bring back the. Oh, we got a cutscene. See what we're in for.
Captain's log. Stardate, let's call it Wednesday. Released from public service, former President Quark decided to retake the mantle of righteousness, to serve as the people's perennial protector, to defend the galaxy with the vigor of a true hero. And the galaxy? Well, the galaxy has never been so boring.
This is just sad. He lost the election like 3 months ago. Don't you think it's time for an intervention?
I believe Captain Quark is having a difficult time adjusting to life in the private sector.
Computer, find me something to shoot.
Sorry, dude, we got none on the radar. Have an awesome day, though.
Pardon me, Captain. It appears there are rogue cleaner bots in the docking bay. Would you like to...
Oh boy. Okay, yeah, like I was saying, this one apparently is supposed to bring back the old Ratchet and Clank style. I don't know exactly what that means. Do they mean it's bringing back the original game style, like from before? What's it called? I don't even know. This is like it's breakable. Guess not. Where's some bolt crates at, man? If I bring back the old gameplay, there should be some bolt crates. Oh, look at that. How'd I do that? Oh, there we go. Cool. Okay, this was from oh my god, dude, that looks cool. That's the silhouettes on it. Okay. Guess I can't buy any of these. Alright, well that's cool. Let's get out of that. Ah. Even more. Yeah, that's awesome. I'm not even gonna lie. Oh shit. We got some enemies. Okay, that's how you throw. I don't know if I like it on the L stick, or L, whatever you call it, trigger. Look at the promotion station here. You can redeem medals and new ranks. I guess that's probably armor, suits, whatever you call it, whatever you want to call it, I guess. Oh man, we've had the same ship since I don't know. Okay, more of those things, and more. Okay. This guy.
Good evening, Captain. Are you ready for the longest day of your pathetic life?
A shadowy supervillain. This is perfect. What do you think he wants? Money? No. Power? No. Money and power. Oh, who cares what he wants? We finally get to shoot something.
Trying to execute. So we get this ship detected back this way for death. Oh, for crying out loud! As I was saying, I have deactivated 3 planetary defense centers in this sector, plunging each location into total chaos. Oh, splendid! Hungarian marauders have already begun attacking. I wonder who could have called them.
Was it me?
It was me, you dolt! Only you and your team are permitted to each location. If I even smell a single Polaris defense trooper, I will deactivate every station in the galaxy.
Who are you?
Someone who doesn't like Captain Quark very much. Someone he failed.
You know what this calls for?
Don't say it.
I'll tell you what this calls for.
He's gonna say it.
The Q-Force!
That's interesting. I think I know that guy. I don't know. Seemed a little... Ratchet seemed a little bit, you know, suspicious. What is that up there? I don't think there's anything. Can I go to any of these? I'll go to that one. Okay, Corgan Refinery. Corgan Refinery was built by Grummanet to collect and distill acid for use in their bioweapon division. And I don't know how to read. Let's just go to it. I got the ship's green, just like Quark. Oh, another thing. I don't know if I like the graphics of Ratchet and Clank anymore. The characters are too shiny. They look unrealistic. I know it's supposed to be an unrealistic game, but I don't know. That's just me. Ever since what was it called? Well, the last one that came out off one, the graphics are gotten a little too smooth and silky looking. What is that paint you call it? Glossy. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Glossy. It looks too glossy. The character. Wait, I thought we were supposed to go by ourselves. I thought he meant. Okay. I thought he meant we were supposed to go like by ourselves. Like, one person to a planet. I guess I heard him wrong. Well, it doesn't matter. Oh snap, Ratchet. Defend the Q-Force base and the Hungarian invaders. Ah, crap. Well, yeah, because you just stood there and watched. Get away from that.
They took out one of our generators.
Hell yeah.
Is that all you got?
Alright. Let's recreate some collect boats.
Required to defend generators.
Alright. Okay, so we got these retarded things again. Yo, I don't like these. Alright, what? Oh, pressure term. I don't have an... I barely have enough. Okay, this is gonna be like a... like tower defender or something. Like the weapon from the weapon pod. Hell yeah.
Weapon pods have
Oh,
been
that was
deployed.
nice. You can do a lot of crazy stunts in these new Ratchet games. What? Is that what I'm supposed to do? Combustor. Alright, give me that combustor.
The combustor is now
For the shield generation, disable force field. Alrighty then. Okay, anything left to collect around here? I don't think so. this seem like a third-person shooter. It's always been a third-person shooter, but it seems more and more like a typical third-person shooter.
To reach battlefield key nodes.
I don't know, man. This one kind of reminds me of
key nodes to unlock the planetary defense center.
Deadlocked. Like
Reactivate planetary defense center to drive
you're giving orders.
marauders. Enemy dropship now on approach.
Drop ship. Evasion detector. The evasion detector will help you track enemy squads that are attacking your base. Ah, cool. Very interesting. Okay, so there's a caution or a quarantine or whatever you call that symbol. Let me nab some bullets. Checkpoint. Do you not shoot or something? Hey, get away from that Q pod. Okay, so they brought the level up thing back.
These power cables run to the key
What you
nodes.
got for me this time? Oh snap! Hit that shit. Okay, so should I get the cryo shot, the doppelganger, or the pirate blast? I'm gonna have to go with this freezes enemies in their tracks. Okay, this is fire. This is that's a little useless right now. I think I'll go with this. Oh man, what was that? I was trying to hit that shit. At the Q4's base.
Now on approach.
Alright, come at me, bro.
More enemies are headed to the base.
No. Oh, there we go. Alright, I'm wasting.
Got him.
Oh, that's cool. They actually kept the
Not a
whole.
good time to run out of ammo.
What is this? Oh. Okay, interesting. Sweet, that's cool.
We got ammo here.
I keep forgetting how to shoot. Wait, I thought I was supposed to freeze them. That's what I was that's the impression that I got. And it's gonna be, this one's gonna require a little bit more. I didn't want to go there. Whatever. Anything left down here? I don't think so. Alright, some platforming now. That's one thing I like about Ratchet and Clank and Insomniac games, man. They keep the they keep the platforming there.
Yes.
They don't dispose of it. Oh boy, crazy stuff happening. I thought I almost lost that. You know how when you panic in a video game? Oh, plasma bomb launcher created by the. Okay, I don't want to do that. Warmonger. Oh boy, they're both good. I think I'll go with this. This takes out groups of enemies. Warmonger will only take out one. My audio's like clipping and stuff.
Enemy dropship now on approach.
Oh shiz. Left flank. Yo, you gotta go ham.
Incoming enemies on the left lane.